রে কি ডাকছিস রে? বাবা, ডেঞ্জার। শেষ আজ রাত আমার, শেষ হয়ে গেল কাল হাঁটা। If day one was about being lazy, day two was anything but that. After a quick bath and breakfast, and a couple of halts at the Kapkot marketplace to buy some essentials, we boarded our cab. It is a 4-hour drive from Kapkot to Khartia, the best location from where our trek would start. The drive was extremely pleasing to the eyes. দুদিকে সবুজ পাহাড়, রাস্তা বরাবর পিন্ডা নদী চলে গেছে পাশ দিয়ে। রাস্তার এক একটা বাঁকে মাঝে মাঝে দূরের বরফ ঢাকা পাহাড়ের চূড়াগুলো দেখা যাচ্ছিল। The stunning peaks of Tent Peak, Banwali Dwar, Banoti, Nanda Kot, Nanda Khat and Lashpadura can be seen from here.
This is Kharkia, the last roadhead and the last stop if you're going to Pindari Glacier. A very small village.
Oh, lovely.
You can stay in these beautiful igloo huts at Kharkia instead of Kapkot, so that you can leave early the next day, reach Khati by afternoon and start exploring the place. The 5 kilometers walk was a very pleasant one. Perhaps the easiest of first day treks that I've ever been to. The forest was painted in fall colors. It was so colorful all around, different shades of green, orange and yellow. The trail was moderate up and down, and the forest looked beautiful, made even brighter by the afternoon sun. Winter was approaching, and the trees had started shedding their leaves. পাতাগুলো আস্তে আস্তে ঝরে ঝরে পড়ছিল, আর আমরা ওর ওপর দিয়ে হেঁটে যাচ্ছিলাম। There are a number of quaint and beautiful villages till Khati. You could feel the calmness, the vibe of the place. মাঝে মাঝে মনে হচ্ছিল যদি এখানেই থেকে যেতে পারতাম। In one of such villages called Jaikuni, we spotted a gathering from the distance.
এখানে কিছু ফেস্টিভ্যাল হচ্ছে মনে হচ্ছে, এদের এখন বিয়ের সিজন, সেরকমই কিছু একটা হচ্ছে মনে হচ্ছে ওখানে। দেখি গিয়ে দেখি কি হচ্ছে। Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Fine.
What is happening?
Mine the wedding.
Wedding.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
Where are you going?
We are going to Pindari Glacier.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you, thank you.
Be safe.
Enjoy your wedding.
Thank you.
Bye, bye.
The ceremony takes place during the daytime. friends and relatives come over from nearby villages.
जाए क्या चाचा एक बार जाए ऊपर हाँ
They have to walk 8 kilometers, 15 kilometers since there are no road transport. Getting to know the lifestyle, the culture of these mountain people was a different experience altogether.
চল চল আমরা এখন বিয়ে বাড়ি খেতে যাচ্ছি এই দাদারা আমাদের এখন বিয়ে বাড়িতে ইনভাইট করেছে
ऐसा थोड़ा होता है खाना क्या वहाँ बना देना वहाँ देखो भोजन पड़ा है वहाँ पर
The people were so amazing that they invited us for lunch and wouldn't have no for an answer.
এখন চলে এসেছি দাদা আমরা পুরি হালুয়া আর আলু খাবো একদম প্লিজ बैठ जाए भैया अरे थैंक यू
The dining place was the edge of a cliff. Well,
ये
literally.
जगह का नाम क्या है
जगह का नाम है मतलब वाचम
वच्छम
वाचम तो
पूरी सब्जी दाल
ट्रेन में आ रहे थे बहुत दिक्कत तो दिल्ली में तो
After a wonderful lunch, we set off on a journey again. It was still a couple of hours to Khati, and we needed to reach before sunset.
আমাদের বিয়ে বাড়ি খাওয়া হয়ে গেল হেবি হালুয়া ফালুয়া খেলাম আমরা এবার ওরা কপালে টিপ পরালো আর এটা একটা খাম দিয়েছে জানি না এই খামের মধ্যে কি আছে এই খামের মধ্যে এটা 10 টাকা দিয়ে দিয়েছে এটা রাসাম ওদের কোনো
हाँ ऐसा
এই 10 টাকাটা রেখে দিলাম খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট 10 টাকা এটা রেখে দেবো সারা জীবন কি তাই তো
हाँ
চা
The next village after Jakuni was Dao.
This is the village of Dao. We stopped here on the way to Khadi. We'll be having Maggie in here. There are many small lodges and homestays to stay in Jakuni as well as in this small village of Dao. This is also a lodge. It's a rest house and restaurant.
বিকেলবেলা টাইমটা হেভি লাগে গোল্ডেন সানসেটটা
We had to cross this bridge and reach the other side of the mountain. And then finally, we reached Khati, the last village in this trail.
ভাই এখানে কি সুন্দর চাষ হচ্ছে দেখ সুন্দর জায়গাটা দেখ প্রত্যেকটা বাড়ি দেখা যাচ্ছে
আমি যে কি সুন্দর মুরগি গরু এসব নিয়ে আছে
If your home was as colorful as these people, you would probably never feel gloomy. Khati is the last settlement in the Pindari Glacier route and also a stay for the night. Every house is so colorful, so beautifully decorated and painted, that it reminded me of those Lego toys we used to play with as kids. A small house at the north side was the village school, and on bright sunny days such as these, classes are generally held in the open. What a beautiful ambience to learn something new. We could hear the muffled sounds of chatter, unrestrained laughter from the houses below. Someone is sipping tea at the terrace, and in another house, someone is reading a book or have let down some pickle to dry. The mooing of cows, the bleating of sheep, the cackling of hen, or the tweeting of birds makes the place lively in an otherwise peaceful settlement. With winter approaching fast and the paddy done with for the season, very few farmers could be seen walking in the fields. Protected by the Kumaun mountain range in the north, Khati offers stunning views of peaks such as Nandakot and Lashpadura. Surrounded by oak and rhododendron forest, the Pinder River flows deep down in the west. The trail moves forward, keeping the village to your left, thus giving a spectacular view of the village life. Very similar to watching a match from the stadium. Do you feel mountains have the most amazing dogs? I do. And like every other trail, we found some extremely friendly ones in this one too.
ফাইনালি পৌঁছে গেছি আমরা এন্ড অফ ডে 1। খাটির ভিলেজটা জাস্ট 100-200 মিটার ক্রস করে এসে একটা সুন্দর জঙ্গলের মধ্যে একটা ট্রেকার্স হাট আছে, এখানে থাকবো আমরা।
This is our lodge. It's known as Green Valley Resort. See, it's quite a resort. These are the rooms. See, it's quite comfortable. It's very comfortable. This one can sleep 3 people, and this can sleep 3 people. If you wish to, you can stay inside the tent too. We'll have a campfire at night.
क्या ए আগুন জ্বালাবে বলছে।
हो गया यादों में